Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen in Copilot. So once you're on your computer, guys, Windows PC, you can either search from the Windows here and simple type in Copilot, and you'll be able to find the application here on your computer. In many cases, you can find this from the start as well. So you should be able to find Microsoft Copilot and you can use it as well. I have it on my taskbar, so I'm going to click on it, and once you're inside Copilot, you can share your screen by looking at the lower right in the search box or the type in box here where you can type, right? So here you have, for example, add, and this is basically for more options and you can upload images and so forth right here. But the next icon here is to share screen with Copilot. Click on this and now you have your screens. As I have two screens, I can choose whichever one I want and I can easily go ahead and share my screen. So if I choose, for example, this one here, I can do it. And you can see right here that I'm now about to give access to my mic and share my screen with Copilot. And so let's say I click on yes. You saw right there that I just share my screen and it was just speaking to me. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can easily share your screen with Copilot. So if you need any help with anything, I think Copilot is a brilliant AI tool that you can use when you're sharing your screen by asking question how to do XYZ. You can do so much with this AI tool once sharing your screen. So I recommend that if you don't know about this tool, go ahead and try it. And so you can start playing around with Copilot and see what you can do while you share your screen. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.